And now a special word for the holiday season to all model car enthusiast spouses from, oh dear, Hippie Claus. This can't end well.
Yo model car, oh how I love to build thee. Oh, hey everybody, yo, Merry Christmas. Hippie Claus here, man, with a question to all you model car wives. Has your model car dude been good this year? Of course he has. He builds model cars, and it's not too late to make sure you get him a model car for Christmas. So get out and do that. Might even get that vacuum cleaner you've been wanting. Yo. And, oh heck, it's Christmas. Get him 2 or 3 model cars. If you do, you might get a set of these fine Chevrolet gold earrings from the house of BG's Fine Jewelry. These are so highly sought after. Wow. They come in an anti-theft box that looks just like a Sucrets box. Who would steal a box of lozenges? Yo! And, ladies, if your model car dude was not good this year, ask yourself this question. Did you buy him a model car last year? So get out and get him 1 or 2. Never know what you're gonna get. Yo, Merry Christmas from Hippie Claus.
This advertisement has been brought to you by these fine sponsors. BG's House of Fine Jewelry, where we make shiny things. HobbyDude 007 Cologne. Take the aroma of the workbench wherever you go. Available in regular and snap tight. And by the all-new Sucky brand home vacuum system. If you need it sucked up, the new Sucky brand vacuum system is for you.